a day of nothing. Clock is ticking, but my hands aren't moving. Promises fade like dust in the wind. Built our lives, we were destined to sing. They sold us dreams, but gave us chains. Working hands left to rot in vain. Factories shut, the streets grow cold. Yet they feast on gold while we starve untold. Hollow work, hollow lives, trapped inside this grand disguise. We're screaming loud, but no one hears. Drowning in a flood of fear. Empty desks and broken tools, silent echoes in abandoned schools. They raised their walls, they built their throne, while we are left to die alone. They sold us dreams but gave us chains. Working hands left to rot in vain. Factories shut, the streets grow cold. Yet they feast on gold while we starve untold. Hollow work, hollow lives, trapped inside this grand disguise. We're screaming loud, but no one hears. Drowning in a flood of fear. Chains, set the fire, cleanse the pain. No more silence, no more